Introducing Komatsu's first intelligent machine control excavator, the PC210LCi-10. This world-first machine control excavator opens a new era of construction technology innovation. This world-first machine control technology includes two key selectable functions: Auto Grade Assist and Auto Stop Control. With the Auto Grade Assist function, the operator moves the arm. The boom adjusts the bucket height automatically, tracing the target surface and minimizing digging too deep. On the other hand, when the operator moves the boom or bucket without arm operation, the work equipment is automatically limited from damaging the target surface. If the arm is operated in combination with bucket or boom operation, Auto Grade Assist overrides Auto Stop Control. Both Auto Stop Control and Auto Grade Assist limit over-excavation and allow the operator to focus on moving material efficiently. The intelligent machine control excavator controls the bucket by automatically selecting the point on the bucket closest to the target surface. Should the machine not be facing a sloped surface at a right angle, it will still protect the target surface. Conventional machine guidance excavator technology offers useful benefits, but one negative is the delayed response of typical tilt sensors installed at the boom, arm, and bucket. The operator typically needs to stop working and wait for an accurate position reading. Komatsu's intelligent machine control excavators achieve finish-grade performance without any delay, through the use of a durable and accurate integrated sensor package. First, proven stroke-sensing hydraulic cylinders are utilized to measure boom, arm, and bucket movements with well-protected wiring harnesses. Next, a frame-mounted IMU sensor accurately measures machine body pitch and roll. Finally, GNSS antennas are now mounted on the main body handrails for safe and easy access. The complete intelligent machine control system, validated to Komatsu's rigid quality and durability standards, comes standard. This includes an improved GNSS receiver and control box in the cab. If the operator turns off machine control, the benefits of machine guidance remain. The large 12.1-inch monitor can display simultaneously information such as magnified fine grading view, 3D bird view, current as-built status, and so on. The facing angle compass enables the operator to align the bucket perpendicular to the target surface easily. The stroke-sensing hydraulic cylinders provide real-time guidance with no delay. The operator is given guidance to the target surface additionally with the large grade indicator and sound guidance. Checking the grade by the bucket tooth can be done faster than conventional machine guidance with our stroke-sensing cylinder. Komatsu's intelligent machine control excavators, when equipped with a cellular modem, are designed to integrate with Topcon's SiteLink 3D Enterprise Job Site Management technology. By connecting to Topcon's SiteLink 3D Enterprise, the job file, targeted design surfaces, and tasks can be sent to the operator at the start of the shift. At the end of the shift, as-built data can be sent to the office from the machine. The site supervisor can check progress instantly. Additionally, remote assistance capability is provided when connected with a cellular modem to SiteLink 3D Enterprise. Support from Komatsu dealer service engineers is available through the Internet. Even with the durable, intelligent machine control components, a problem may occur. In that case, our standard Comtracks will report the problems immediately to your Komatsu dealer. When using an excavator without machine guidance, staking is needed before work begins. Checking the grade manually is required during and after the work is complete. Sometimes, rework is needed to meet the required accuracy. Conventional machine guidance can eliminate the troublesome staking, but finish grade quality and minimizing over-excavation depends heavily on the skill of the operator. Rework is also needed to meet the required accuracy. Komatsu's intelligent machine control excavators allow the operator to focus on moving material efficiently without worrying about digging below the target surface thanks to machine control operation. Innovative, integrated, intelligent. Komatsu Intelligent Machine Control Excavators.